Airport Authority of India recruitment for graduate or diploma apprentice on a contract basis, that is based on requirement. They may extend, or it is in the northern region. So the number of vacancies for different specializations are this way. So the eligibility criteria is civil, electrical, electronics, computer science, information technology, mechanical, automobile, aeronautics, architect. So these are the eligible branches in bachelor degree, that is BTech or diploma. The number of vacancies for civil, that is for graduate, is 10 vacancies, and duration of year is 1 year. So for graduates, the apprentice will be 15,000 rupees will be paid per month, and for civil diploma, the 7 vacancies, and electrical graduate 9 vacancies, electrical diploma 6 vacancies, electrical graduate 3 vacancies, electrical diploma 13 vacancies, computer science or information technology graduate 2 vacancies, computer science information technology 4 vacancies, that for diploma, and for mechanical or automobile diploma 4 vacancies, for aerospace 2 vacancies for graduate, and for aerospace diploma 2 vacancies. So these are the different vacancies for different streams. For graduates, the consolidated amount per month will be 15,000 rupees, and for apprentice of diploma level, that will be 12,000 rupees will be paid per month. So the location of airports are this way. These are the location of airports. So they are all northern region in India, so only north people can apply for this post. The last date to apply for this is 31/10/2021. So educational qualifications is either they should possess a full-time degree, that is a regular degree 4 years, or a diploma 3-year diploma in engineering in respective disciplines, that is in electrical, mechanical, civil, electronics, computer science, information, petroleum, automobile, or so these are the respective disciplines where they can they're eligible to apply. So you need to apply. The mode of selection will be based on merit list in the qualifying examinations, and the final selection will be done on interview or verification of certificates or testimonials, and also medical fitness certificates. Those shortlisted candidates will be called for interview or document verification through registered email ID only. So the selected candidates will be posted preferably at any given location in the northern region. The essential criteria here is only Indian nationals from northern region are eligible. So this because the location of airports are only northern region. So again, the candidates passed out year is only 2019 and above. So those who are before 2019 are not eligible. The maximum age criteria is 26 years as of 39/2021. You can apply through this website. This is regarding candidates should register themselves with concerned portal for applying apprenticeship training through AI without fail. So no TADA will be provided, and the number of candidates engaged in indicative may undergo changes without any further notice. So Airport Authority of India has no obligation to give regular employment to apprentice. This is only purely contract basis, and there is no fees for application. This is free of cost. You can apply without any fees. So online application. If you have any queries, you can email them to this email ID, and phone number is also specified. The link for this is given in the description. So if you are eligible, do apply.